Hello, I'm Dr. Sudhir Rajguru from Department of Management, and today we will discuss Introduction to Services. Uh, Introduction to Services. Services are deeds, processes, and performance. They are intangible, but they may have a tangible component. They are generally produced and consumed at the same time, unlike the products. So let us see the difference between goods and services. Goods is a physical commodity, services a process or an activity. Goods are tangible, we can touch it. Services are intangible, goods are homogeneous, services are heterogeneous. For goods, the production and distribution are separation from their consumption, and in services, product, distribution and consumption are simultaneous processes. And goods can be stored, but services cannot be stored or saved also. Transfer of ownership is possible in case of goods. Transfer of ownership is not possible in case of services. Let us see the classification of service. We can see it on the three bases. On the basis of degree of involvement of the customer, on the basis of service tangibility, on the basis of skills and expertise required. On the basis of degree of involvement of customer, services are of four types. First is people processing. The customer has to be present at the place of delivery to experience or consume the service. For example, a kind of workshop, a dance class, healthcare, etc. Possession processing. Even if the customer presence is not required, his possession or property need to be deposited for service, like car servicing or repair, or TV, VCD repair, laundry, courier service, etc. Third is mental stimulus processing. In this case, the customer mental attention is required, if not physical presence, in order to experience services like career counseling, advertising, consultation, education service, etc. Information processing. In the case data information, knowledge are gathered and analyzed for clients like research studies, market surveys, data processing, accounting, legal services, and programming. On the basis of tangibility, we can also divide the service. Uh, it is highly tangible. The service includes physical products, highly tangible for use during the contract period, like a cell phone or a house on rent. Services linked to tangible goods. These are the guaranteed or warranted periods during which the sellers provide free or subsidized service to the customer, like machine, vehicles, gadgets, etc. Tangible goods links to service. Here some physical goods are given to the customer as a part of a service, like food with a train, air ticket, hotel accommodation which includes morning breakfast, etc. or highly tangible, like there's no product are offered as part of service, like haircut, body massage, but you're looking for a movie, and etc. On the basis of skills and expertise required, also we can classify service: professional and non-professional. Professional, highly skilled service. For these services require a higher level of qualification and training to provide service, like service of a doctor, a lawyer, pilot, IT professional, etc. Non-professional, low skill service marketing. These services don't require any special requisites in skills, and can be performed by anybody with some practice, like office security guard, babysitting, courier delivery boys, etc. Thank you.